Hello, welcome back, my respected viewers. Hope you are all good. Welcome back to my channel. We share awesome ideas to decorate your life easier. In this video, I can show you some different modern luxury Christmas living room decor ideas to decorate your home with latest living standard styles. Luxury Christmas living room decor ideas offer a range of inspiring benefits that go beyond our more aesthetics. Here are some of key advantages. Elevated festival atmosphere. Luxury decor creates a heightened sense of celebrations, making the Christmas atmosphere even more special and memorable. Opulent comfort. Luxury Christmas living room design often incorporate plush furnishing and cozy elements, enhancing comfort and making holiday gatherings even more enjoyable. Timeless elegance. Luxury designs tend to be timeless, ensuring that your Christmas decor remains stylish and sophisticated year after year. Personalized expression. Luxury living room ideas allow for a personalized expression of your style, allowing you to showcase your unique taste and preferences during the holiday seasons. Memorable celebration. A luxury decorated living room can elevate the experience of holiday celebrations, making them more memorable and creating a sense of grandeur. Attention to detail. Luxury decor is characterized by its attention to detail, creating a visually stunning and cohesive Christmas themes throughout the living space. Photogenic interior. Luxurious Christmas decor provide a picturesque setting perfect for capturing and sharing beautiful holiday moments with family and friends. Quality craftsmanship. Luxury often come with quality craftsmanship, ensuring that your Christmas decorations are not only visually appealing but also well made and durable. Increase home value. Investing in luxury living room ideas, even for the holidays, can contribute to the overall value of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Stress reduction. The elegance and opulence of luxury living room decor can contribute to stress reduction, creating a serene and welcoming environment during the timeless, hectic holiday seasons. Warmth and inviting ambience. Despite the luxurious element, a well-designed luxury living room retains a warm and inviting ambience, fostering a sense of togetherness, a joy. Creating inspiring. Luxury Christmas decor ideas can serve a creative, inspiring, encouraging you to experiment with colors, textures, and arrangements to create a truly unique and stunning holiday display. Family bonding. The luxurious setting provides an ideal backdrop for family gatherings, encouraging bonding and creating a sense of unity during the holiday festivals. Aesthetic pleasure. Luxury Christmas living room decor provide aesthetic pleasure, allowing you and your guests to reel in the beauty of the season in the visually captivating environment. Showcasing tradition. Luxury living room ideas can be an excellent canvas for showcasing Christian holiday traditions, whether it's in the form for Hungarian decoration of thematic design elements. By infusing luxury into your Christmas living room decor, you not only create a visually stunning space, but also enhance the overall holiday experience for yourself and those you share it with. Please like my channel and please like my video and subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.